Good morning, kindergartners. Welcome back for another math lesson with me, Miss Harwood. Yesterday, we practiced adding and subtracting using our finger strategy. Today, we'll continue practicing our addition, but instead of using our fingers to help us add, we'll be using our counting on strategy. Before we get started, I would like to do an activity that helps keeps our mind sharp and growing. I wanted to practice our counting today, but a little differently. I have a bin here, and I want to see if we can fit 100 pennies in it. That's right, 100 pennies. I'm going to drop 1 penny at a time in here, and I want you to count along with me as I fill up my bin to see if I can fit 100 pennies in here. Do you think that this is going to fit 100 pennies? Let's check to see. So get your minds and your mouths ready as you begin counting with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, go, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100! Oh my gosh! 100 pennies do fit in this bin. Thanks for helping me count those out. Whew, my arms are tired now. All right, let's get started on our lesson by reviewing our learning target for today. I can add within 10 using cards. If we remember from our previous lessons, we know that add means to put together. We'll be adding numbers together from 0 to 10 today using cards. I'm going to use playing cards that are similar to these. If you don't have those cards, you can use other cards that you make at home. The materials that you will need are paper, pencil, and cards. So if you have cards like mine, that's great. If not, that's okay. You can make your own cards at home, just like this, using paper, cut up into small rectangles, and a pencil. Other materials that you're going to need are the paper and the pencil. So if you need any of those materials, pause the video, grab those now so we can start our activity.
We are going to use the I do, we do, you do lesson for today. To start this lesson, you can set up your materials like how I have mine set up here. I have only one pile of cards, and those cards are numbers 1 to 9. First, for this activity, I need to flip over 2 cards. 1, 2. You can see that I have the number and the different shapes on my cards. This number is a 3, and it has 1, 2, 3 shapes on it. This number is a 2, and it has 1, 2 shapes on it. Looking at my cards here, I know that my number sentence is going to be 3 plus 2 equals. I remember my learning target says that we are adding today, and the plus sign is used in a number sentence when we add. Now, I need to find out how many altogether I have, because we're adding. Remember, we are using our counting on strategy today. So I'm going to first catch the big number and count on. So our big number is 3. I can tell that 3 is more than 2 because there's even more shapes in here. So I'm going to catch 3 and count on 2 more. Do it with me. 3, 4, 5. My answer is 5 because I stopped counting at 5. Let me do one more before we do some problems together. First, I flip over 2 cards. Oh, another 2. My cards are 7 and 2. Next, I need to write my number sentence, which is 7 plus 2. Once I have my number sentence written down, I need to check to make sure I have the right answer. I think my answer is going to equal 9, but I want to check my answer to make sure that I'm right. So remember, we're using our counting on strategy. I know that my bigger number is 7 because there's way more shapes in this card than in number 2. So I'm going to catch 7 and count on 2 more because that's my second card. Get ready, do it with me. Catch 7, 8, 9. My answer is 9 because I counted to 9. Now let's do some problems together. First, we flip 2 cards. I have a, what number is this? 4. And what number is this? 5. What is our number sentence going to be? 4 plus 5 equals. What do you think the answer is going to be? Let's check our answer using our counting on strategy. Which number is bigger, 4 or 5? 5 is bigger. So now we need to catch 5 and count how many more? 4. That's how many we count on. Let's count together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We counted to 9. So our answer is 9. Our complete number sentence now says 4 plus 5 equals 9. Make sure that you guys are checking your work and you have a plus sign here and an equal sign here. You want to make sure that your number sentences look like mine. Let's do another one. First, we flip 2 cards. What number is this? And what number is this? A 6. This is a 6. Next, we write our number sentence. What do you think our number sentence is going to be? 3 plus 6 equals. What do you think the answer is going to be? Let's check our answer using our counting on strategy. Which number is bigger? The 6. 6 is bigger. Look, you can even tell because there's more shapes on the number 6. If you're not sure, you can always count to see. 6 is our bigger number, so we're going to catch 6 and count on 3 more. Ready? Do it with me. 6, 7, 8, 9. We counted to 9, so what's our answer? 9. Look at this. We have 3 different number sentences that all equal 9. Are any of these numbers the same? No. This is 3 different ways that you can make the number 9 using completely different numbers. That is so cool. Let's do another problem. Flip 2 cards. What numbers do we have? What number is this? 4. And this card right here, there's only one shape here. So this card is going to be 1. This is going to be for the number 1. So we have a 4 and a 1. What's our number sentence going to be? 4 plus 1 equals. Do you know the answer for this? What do you think the answer is going to be? Let's check our answer. We're going to use our counting on strategy. Which number is bigger, 4 or 1? 4 is the bigger number, so we're going to catch 4 and count 1 more. Ready? Go. 4, 5. So our answer is 5, and our whole number sentence is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Make sure you guys are checking that you're using the plus sign here and then the equal signs over here. Let's do one more together. First, we flip 2 cards. Which numbers are these? 7. And what number is this? 2. What do you think our number sentence is going to be? 7 plus 2 equals. Remember, we're adding, so we're using the plus sign. What do you think the answer is going to be? Let's check our answer. We're going to use what kind of strategy? Counting on. Which number is bigger? 7. 7 is the bigger number. So get ready to catch 7 and count on. 7, 8, 9. What's our answer? 9. Look, we'd have a 7 and a 2 down here, and we have a 7 and a 2 up here. Oh my goodness, we did the same math problem twice. Now, it's your turn to do this activity. For today's assignment, you will complete this activity at home with an adult and solve your own addition number sentences using cards. The materials that you will need for this activity are paper, pencil, and cards. Your cards can look like mine, which are playing cards. the ones that I used in this activity for the video, or you can make your own cards like these. All you need to do is cut out rectangle shapes from the paper and write the numbers on them. Once you have all your supplies, you can set them up how I did in this video and solve 5 different number sentences. Make sure to check your work using our counting on strategy and that your number sentences are using a plus sign for addition. Once you finish solving 5 number sentences, take a picture and send your work to a teacher. We love seeing all the great work that you have been doing. So go ahead, get started on your work, and I'll see you tomorrow.